So I'm gonna give y'all a house tour. This is where I made my last video. I didn't post it because it was too long and I don't know how to work it, girl. Okay, it's just jacuzzi tub. I mostly take out my baths in there. If y'all are wondering what this is, it's a secret room. Let me do the code. Let me do the code. The lights will turn on. Okay, you can enter. Dun, 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 dun. I'll be rocking in heels sometimes. I love heels. I'm gonna show you how I'll work in some heels. So we're gonna put you up there. And I'm gonna I wanna wear these. My grandma just got them. Okay. I'm not gonna wear these because those broke last time. Here we go. Hey, sparkly black. I walk better in heels than my grandma. And she's been walking in heels her whole life. And somehow, I've been alive 9 years and I know how to rock heels better than her. No, for 10 years. We're gonna walk down the stairs. I'm gonna see how to do the house tour. So I'm gonna do the house tour. So, this is my grandma.
7 to 10 business days for it to go back to that credit card. I went ahead and forwarded over to the refunds department. And is there anything else that I may assist you with? All right. Well, thanks again for choosing American Airlines. If you have a moment, please stay on the line for one question. Serve it and have a great rest of your day. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna have to stop the video at 9 minutes.
Thank you for calling American Airlines. This is Carolyn speaking. I see that you're calling about an existing reservation that's departing on the 8th of August for Angela Tang. And how may I assist you?
Okay. So it may be a little dark. Just here. This is my room. It's a freaking mess. I have a karaoke using my YouTube, my tablet, and all are on my phone. Cousin's room, he's asleep. My mom's room. I can show y'all her room because she's not here. And I'm gonna get some candy. One bathroom. I'm real tired bathroom. My laundry room. But it's my secret hideout. What's my little secret hideout? I always put a blanket and pillow. And another bathroom. This is one of our living rooms. The kids are allowed to be there. one of our dining room. No one eats there. Our kitchen. Our living room. Everyone can be in. And that should conclude our tour.